So in this question, we are given a curve expressed as x equals rather than y equals. So that's a bit strange. And they want the equation of the tangent to the curve. So normally when you're asked for the equation for a tangent, what you need is dy by dx. But we can't really find dy by dx from there. What we can find, however, is dx by dy. So we can probably differentiate that to find dx by dy, and then we can invert it, we can flip it to find dy over dx. So dy over dx is just 1 over dx over dy. So if we differentiate this with respect to y and find dx over dy, we can then invert it to find dy over dx. So this is a cosine. The derivative of a cosine is minus sine, and what's between brackets doesn't change. So this is unchanged. But because here we don't have a y, we have 2y, so we differentiate that, and that gives us a 2, and we multiply by 2. So that's the chain rule. So that's dx over dy. And if you substitute y equals pi over 4, so y equals pi over 4, and you put that in a calculator, you get 3 over 2 pi, I think. So you sine 3 over 2 pi, multiplied by minus 2, you get 2. So dy by dx is 2. Sorry, dx by dy is 2. So dy by dx will be 1 over 2. And that will be the gradient of the tangent. All right, so your tangent will have a gradient, and the gradient will be dy by dx, which is half. And the equation for your straight line will be y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. All right, so this is the value for m, and x1 will be 0, and y1 will be the value given in the question, pi over 4. So you have y minus pi over 4 equals 1 over 2 times x minus 0. So y minus pi over 4 equals half x, and they want it in this form, y equals ax plus b, so you can say y equals half x plus pi over 4. So this is your first constant, this is your second constant, so a and b. So we can label that and say a equals half and b equals pi over 4. So that's the equation of the tangent. We found that by finding dy by dx indirectly, by first finding dx over dy and then inverting that. And to convert this into a number, we just replaced y with the number given in the question.